Now we are going to start reversing the process and start figuring out what the compound is, the chemical symbols. So, lithium acetate. First thing you want to do is figure out what the symbols are. So lithium is Li, and then acetate is a polyatomic ion, and that is C2H3O2. Lithium, if you look on the periodic table, is a +1. Acetate is a polyatomic ion, and it's a -1. So if you crisscross it, it's 1 and 1. You don't actually have to write it when it's 1 and 1. You can just leave it just as such. Okay, iron, that's Fe, and phosphate is PO4. Right here, that Roman numeral 2 tells us that iron's a +2. Phosphate is a polyatomic ion, it's a -3. So we crisscross those. Becomes Fe3, PO4, 2. Titanium selenide. Titanium is Ti. Selenide is Se. This 2 means that the titanium is a +2. And selenium is a -2. Crisscross, and that becomes Ti2Se2. Notice that these are both divisible by the number 2, so we can reduce it to become TiSe. Calcium bromide, CaBr. Notice that there's no Roman numerals here. That means we can look at the periodic table and determine what calcium is. If we look at the periodic table, calcium is right here. It's in the +2 row. And bromine is right here, and it's in the -1 row. Crisscross it, and it becomes Ca1Br2. You don't have to write that 1 if you don't want. Technically, most people don't. Alright, gallium is Ga, chloride is Cl. Looking on the periodic table, gallium is right here. It's in the +3 row. And chlorine is right here. It's in the -1 row. Crisscross those, and it becomes GaCl3. And that is for 21 to 25. And we're going to stop right there.